5 benefits of cloves. Did you know that these spices are tiny but powerful? They can actually help you stay healthy. It is not just for adding flavor to your dishes. Cloves are the nail-like dried, unopened flower buds of an evergreen tea native to Indonesia and India. Cloves are packed with incredible benefits for your teeth, gut, bones, and even your aging process. Benefits of clove oil. Throughout history, people have used clove oils to soothe toothache. Some cosmetics and medicine use eugenol for its antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral abilities. In today's video, we are diving deep into the 5 amazing health benefits of cloves. Number 1. Oral health. Cloves are great for oral care because of their antimicrobial properties. The use of eugenol for treating toothache, jaw pain, and sore gums. Despite the uncommon but possible occurrence of eugenol causing contact dermatitis. Eugenol is used in modern dentistry because of its antibacterial, pain relief, and anesthetic properties. You likely see eugenol as an ingredient in herbal toothpaste and mouthwash, as studies have shown that clove extract can kill bacteria that cause gum disease. The Journal of India Society reported study finding that using an herbal mouthwash containing cloves for 21 days improved gum health and decreased the buildup of bacteria in the mouth. What is the best time to take cloves? Chewing 1-2 cloves daily on an empty stomach. Number 2. Cloves may ease the effect of aging. Some studies suggest that clove may have anti-aging properties. Cloves are rich in antioxidants which can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging. Antioxidants can help neutralize free radicals, preventing them from causing damage. One study found that clove extract was able to extend the lifespan of yeast cell. Another study found that clove extract was able to protect human skin cells from damage caused by UV radiation. However, the available evidence suggests that cloves may be promising natural way to help slow down the aging process. If you are interested in trying cloves for their potential anti-aging benefits, you can add them to your diet by eating them whole or ground, or by using clove oil. You can also find clove extracts in some dietary supplements. Number 3. Clove promote gut health. As cloves are rich in fiber and have antioxidant properties, it makes sense that they are great promoter of gut health. Cloves have been shown to relieve indigestion and reduce gas. Eugenol may help alleviate the pain associated with peptic ulcer, which occur when the mucus layer of your stomach becomes thin and damaged. Additional studies on cloves extracts show it likely enhances mucus production of your stomach lining, which counter ulcer discomfort. However, further research is necessary. Why take clove water at night? Drinking clove water before bed can help you relax, detoxify the liver, and improve digestion. It can also be used for respiratory problems like bronchitis, mucus in the lungs, colds, cough, and asthma. How many cloves per day? Generally, 2-6 ground cloves are suitable to intake per day. Number 4. Cough or respiratory tract infection. Cloves offer several benefits for respiratory tract infections and cough due to its potent antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and expectorant properties. The active compound eugenol in cloves help reduce inflammation and combat bacteria or virus that may cause respiratory infection. Clove oil or clove tea can help soothe the throat, alleviate congestion, and loosen mucus, making it easier to expel. Additionally, cloves have a mild numbing effect, which can reduce the discomfort of a sore throat and persistent cough. Their antioxidant properties also support immune function, helping the body fight off infection more effectively. These qualities make cloves a valuable natural remedy for managing respiratory ailments. Number 5. Bone health. Cloves play a supportive role in maintaining bone health due to their rich nutrient profile, particularly manganese, which is essential for bone formation and density. Manganese helps active enzyme needed for bone development and the production of collagen, which is crucial for joint health. Cloves are also packed with antioxidants such as eugenol, which may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, potentially preventing bone-related disorders like osteoporosis. Regular inclusion of clove in diet may contribute to stronger bone, better joint function, and overall skeletal health. However, it's important to consume clove in moderation as excessive intake can have adverse effects. So there you have it, 5 incredible benefits of cloves. Remember, moderation is key. Consult with your doctor before using clove for medicinal purpose, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or on any medication. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips and natural remedies. And let us know in the comment below what your favorite way to use clove. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.